Hi everybody. This is a video that will show you how to add a vendor into QuickBooks as well as in Minute7. So the first thing you need to do is open your QuickBooks account, and then you'll go to Vendors, Vendor Center. At the top, you'll click on the New Vendor and click on New Vendor. Up here at the top for vendor name, all you need to do is enter their name. So I'm going to say James Anderson. Some people might add a V if you have James Anderson as an employee as well as a vendor, but James Anderson for this company is just a vendor, so I'm going to click OK. And here you see James come up. And then you go to then you sync with Minute7. So I'm going to scroll down, do Update Web Services, click on my Minute7, Update Selected, a sync, and that will pull in James Anderson's name into Minute7. Nice. So I'm going to exit out of here, exit out of this, minimize that, go to my Minute7. I always like to sign out and sign back in after I've synced. And here we go. So let's go here and let's see if we see James Anderson. There he is, James Anderson. So the first thing I want to do is go to Settings, go to Company Settings, and I just want to make sure I enable time entries for vendors. And it's automatically actually selected to yes. This was selected to no before. But if this is on no, you want to switch that to yes. And then I want to go to James Anderson down below and set up an account. So here's James Anderson. So I need to click on the plus sign, and then you need to enter his email, his first name, and his last name. Save settings. And this will send him an email to get set up. And now I can go and find that email, I believe. New user has been created for Minute7. And here it gives me a temporary password, so I just need to log in to view my account. So there's my email, login. So I just change this to James. Oops. And then I'm going to copy and paste my temporary password. And now I'm in here as James Anderson, and I can enter my time. And that is how you enter a vendor into QuickBooks and into Minute7. Thanks so much.